A few days ago, I made a video saying most people probably don't need the Pocket 4P, and honestly, the comments became way more interesting than the camera itself, because people were no longer debating image quality. They were debating something much bigger. What actually matters more for creators now? Owning the newest gear, or actually creating consistently with the gear you already have? And honestly, the more I read those comments, the more I realize something. I don't think the Pocket 4P is the real story anymore. I think the real story is what creator tech culture is slowly becoming. Because right now, creators are surrounded by the best cameras, drones, microphones, phones, and editing tools we've ever had in human history. Yet somehow, many creators have never felt more dissatisfied. And honestly, I think that's becoming a real problem. Because look at what just happened with the Pocket 4. People bought it, loved it, praised the image quality, praised the low light, praised the stabilization. Some people literally upgraded from the Pocket 3 and said it was one of the biggest jumps DJI had made in years. And then the Pocket 4P teaser appeared. And suddenly, some of those same people started feeling like they bought the wrong camera. Think about how strange that actually is psychologically. The footage they loved last week did not suddenly become worse. Their creativity did not suddenly disappear. Their videos did not suddenly become unusable. Nothing changed except the existence of a newer possibility. And honestly, I think this exact cycle is becoming one of the biggest psychological traps in creator tech right now. Because companies today are no longer just selling products. They are selling anticipation, rumors, leaks, teasers, spec comparisons, countdown culture, launch cycles. Creators are now living in a permanent state of, maybe I should wait, maybe something better is coming, maybe I upgraded too early, and eventually you stop enjoying the tools you already have. This happens with cameras, phones, drones, laptops, even editing software. And honestly, the iPhone industry is probably the best example of this. Every single year Apple launches a slightly better camera, a slightly bigger sensor, more zoom, more AI, another Pro Max. And every year, millions of people convince themselves their current phone suddenly feels outdated. But if you actually step back for a second, most people are perfectly happy with the regular iPhone. Most people do not need extreme zoom, ProRes workflows, cinematic features, or massive camera systems. And honestly, that doesn't stop those products from being exciting. That's the important distinction. Excitement and necessity are not the same thing. And I think creators today are increasingly struggling to separate those two emotions. Because social media constantly makes creators feel like the next lens, the next sensor, the next codec, the next camera, the next update will finally unlock better creativity. But honestly, some of the best creators on YouTube right now are not successful because they own the newest gear. They are successful because they understand storytelling, editing, lighting, composition, audio, and consistency. Meanwhile, some creators spend years trapped in upgrade cycles while barely creating anything meaningful at all. And honestly, I think this is where creator tech becomes psychologically dangerous. Because new gear gives creators something very powerful, the feeling of progress. Buying new equipment feels productive. Researching gear feels productive. Watching comparison videos feels productive. But sometimes it becomes a substitute for actual creativity. And I'm not saying gear does not matter. Of course it matters. Better tools absolutely help in many situations. Some creators genuinely need telephoto lenses. Some creators genuinely benefit from better codecs, open gate recording, bigger sensors, professional workflows, or improved low-light performance. But the problem starts when creators begin assuming newer automatically means better for them personally. Because honestly, most creator gear today is already extremely capable. The Pocket 4 is excellent. The Pocket 3 is still excellent. Modern smartphones are excellent. Even older mirrorless cameras are still excellent, and I think many creators secretly know this. That's why some of the comments on the Pocket 4P video were so interesting. Some people were saying, bought the Pocket 4 last week. Zero regrets. The Pocket 4 still looks amazing. The best camera is the one you actually use. And honestly, those comments felt far more important than the spec debates, because they reflect something a lot of creators slowly realize with experience. Workflow matters more than obsession. The best camera setup is often not the most expensive one. It's the one that naturally fits into your life, the one you actually carry, the one you actually trust, the one that disappears into your workflow so smoothly that you stop thinking about gear entirely and just create. And honestly, this is where I think social media has changed creator culture massively, because now creators are constantly surrounded by launches, reviews, rumors, comparison charts, best camera videos, don't buy this videos, wait for this videos. Everything feels temporary now. Even products that are objectively amazing somehow get treated like they're old within a few months. And I think that slowly trains creators to become permanently dissatisfied. Not because their gear is bad, but because somebody somewhere always has something newer. And honestly, I think companies understand this psychology extremely well. That's why launches today are stretched across teaser campaigns, controlled leaks, creator seeding, rumor cycles, strategic comparisons, emotional marketing. The goal is no longer just selling hardware. The goal is keeping creators emotionally engaged in the upgrade cycle itself. And honestly, the Pocket 4P situation revealed this perfectly. Because if you actually look carefully at the comments, the audience split into completely different psychological groups. Some people said, I need the telephoto. Others said, I'm happy with my Pocket 4. Others were saying, people are overreacting. Others were saying, I'm tired of upgrade culture. That's fascinating. Because this stopped being a camera discussion. It became a creator identity discussion. What kind of creator are you? Are you somebody chasing the newest cinematic possibilities constantly? Or are you somebody who values simplicity, consistency, and actually making videos regularly? Neither answer is wrong. But I do think many creators are getting trapped in endless optimization instead of actual creativity. And honestly, I think the camera industry is entering a very strange phase now, because most modern cameras are already good enough for the majority of audiences. The average viewer watching on a phone cannot tell tiny differences between most modern creator cameras anymore. What they notice is good storytelling, good pacing, good audio, good editing, good ideas. That's what actually keeps people watching. And ironically, some of the most memorable videos online were not shot on the newest gear at all, because audiences connect emotionally to stories, not spec sheets. And honestly, I think that's something creators need to remind themselves more often right now, especially in an era where creator tech moves so fast that products can feel old before people even fully learn how to use them properly. Because eventually, if every launch creates anxiety instead of inspiration, the technology starts controlling the creator instead of helping them. And honestly, I think that might be the real problem with creator tech right now. Not that the tools are bad, the tools are incredible. The problem is that creators are increasingly forgetting that gear is supposed to support creativity, not replace it. And maybe the best creator setup is not the one with the most features, but the one that finally makes you stop thinking about upgrading and start creating consistently again.